Hey, it's me, Favor. Surprised? I'm not real. Well, not real. I am AI real. Today, I'm showing you how to create your own AI twin that looks 100% real like you, right from your phone. And yes, it is completely free. So grab your phone if you're not already on it and get comfy. Now, imagine using your own AI twin for a business advert, a product video, or even to post content when you are too busy. Sounds crazy, right? But it's all 100% possible, and I'm about to show you exactly how. I'm going to show you how to animate, clone yourself for free without spending a dime. Let's jump in. Now, the first thing you need is to create a prompt that would help you generate your own twin. That is where ChatGPT comes in handy. And there are two ways to this. You can either type in whatever you want to recreate, like any imagination in your head that you want to recreate, or probably you are scrolling through the social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and you see a picture that you want to recreate. You download it to your phone or you take a screenshot of it, and then you head over to this place here. You click on photos and you upload the photos to ChatGPT, and then you tell it these exact words. Here is a photo I uploaded to ChatGPT, and this is my exact word. I said, acting as my prompt engineer, analyze this photo and generate the prompt that was used for it. I want to make a photo exact. She's inside a parked car making a conversation with hand gestures. Okay, and this is what it generated for me. This is the prompt it generated for me. Okay, the next thing you want to do now is to copy all this. You copy everything, right? It even added an optional modifier for fine tuning. Okay, you copy everything. Okay, copy, and then you head over to Google Gemini Nano Banana. This is how you're going to do it. You click on create image, okay, and then you paste that prompt that you generated from ChatGPT here. Okay, then you come over to the top here and you say using the attached photo and maintaining the exact face, comma, create, then all of that. Create a young woman sitting inside a parked car during daytime, smiling warmly while making a casual hand gesture as if she's in a lively conversation, and all of that. You can decide to remove this optional modifier here. Okay, just remove this and let the rest be there. Then it's time to attach your photo. Now, this is the trick to getting your own exact twin. You need to attach a photo or a selfie that is unfiltered, okay, not the one that you've added filters, so that it can give you your exact face. Okay, and then secondly, where you are posting the video to determines how the size or the aspect ratio of your photo will be. If you are going to be posting it on YouTube, you have to make sure that the photo you are adding is in 16:9 ratio, not the 9:16 ratio. Okay, because whatever you post here is what is going to give to you. If you post a picture that is in 9:16 ratio, it will generate a picture that is in 9:16 ratio for you. So think about where you want to post this video first before you attach your photo. So let's say the photo that you have that you want to attach is in 9:16, which is like a portrait kind of picture. You head over to any editing app, InShot, CapCut, and you change the aspect ratio to 16:9, which is for YouTube, and then you save it. That is what you are going to upload here. Okay, so to do that, you just click on this plus sign here and you go to files and you upload that picture. You can see the picture I uploaded here. You can see that it is in landscape mode, which is 16:9 for YouTube. Okay, and then this is my prompt and this is what it generated for me. Do you see that? It looks exactly like me because my picture that I added here is unfiltered, like just the way it came out from my camera. I did not put any filter. The exact makeup on my face is the exact makeup it gave me here. Okay, it just made it a little bit more beautiful. You get? And now this is another beauty about Google Gemini Nano Banana, you can actually edit the picture that it generated for you. So let's say this picture now, I don't like something about it. Okay, you can just come over to this place and you tell it whatever you want it to change. Okay, look at an example. I said make her hair blue, okay, and it turned it to a blue hair. Do you see that? Look at another thing I did. I said change her denim to black, and see, it gave me a black denim. It's very, very flexible for you to use. Once you are okay with what Google Gemini has generated for you, you click on this download button here and it downloads to your phone. Now it's time to animate that photo. There are so many AI video generating softwares or app out there now. I have tested a few of them and I'm going to be doing a detailed video next about all the free AI animation generating app that I have used. I don't want this video to be too long, so for the purpose of this tutorial we're going to be using just one, which is Agent AI. So you come to your browser and you type in Agent AI. Now you see this very first one here, you click on it. Now, this is how the interface of Agent AI looks like. You would have to sign up with your Google account or your Gmail before you have access to it fully. Okay, I've already done all of that. Now, I have to say something before we get started. Along the line, I will tilt my phone to the landscape mode. This is because I'm using my phone and not a desktop. When you are using a desktop, it's easy to navigate all the features at once. But because I'm using my phone, I'm kind of restricted. So the only way out of it is to tilt my phone to landscape, which I'm going to do along the line. Okay, so to get started, you click on this get started button up here. Okay, you can see this create an avatar IV video. You click on it. So now I'm going to be tilting my phone like I said earlier so that I can navigate this very well. So here it's saying upload photo. Now you are going to bring in that photo that Google Gemini Nano Banana generated for you. You click on upload photo here and you bring in the photo. So this is photo. Okay, then the next thing now is your voice or whatever you want this picture to be saying. There are three ways to do this. You can either type in the script here, right? You see, type your script here, or you upload a voiceover. Probably you generated a voiceover from another voiceover generating app and it's on your phone. You upload it here. Then the third option is for you to record directly here on the app, which is what I like to do, because since this is an AI generated video, I like to add my own personal touch to it, which is actually optional. It's my own preference. Okay, do what works for you. If you want to record like me, you click on this record audio. You go to record audio here. Sorry, I have to take it back to portrait. That's just one disadvantage of using your phone, but we'll still get what we are looking for. Okay, then you click on this red button here. Once you click on it, you can start recording, saying whatever it is you want to say. After recording, you can see this add audio. You click on add audio so that it will add it to that video. It has been added. Then you can play it to see whether you are okay with it. Okay, because there are times that you could have probably made mistake or you forgot to say something. You play it, you listen to it and see that it is what you want. Okay, then if it's not what you want, you can delete it and re-record. Okay, then we'll move on to the next one. The next one now is to describe this gesture and the facial expression you want. Okay, how do you want this your twin to, how do you want the gesture to be? Okay, so I put in talking and smiling with natural hand gestures. Then it's okay like that. Then the next thing now is to click on generate video and it will generate your video for you. Like, you'll be amazed at how your words and the lips is synchronizing with each other. Now, another beauty of aging AI is that it allows you to generate up to 30 seconds video. Like all of the other AI video generating app or software that I've been using just allows you to generate 5 seconds or 10 seconds max. But this one allows you to generate up to 30 seconds. Like, this is actually 23 seconds video. I have done another one that I did 30 seconds. Okay, and then you can generate up to 4 videos in a day. After that, you have to wait for the next 24 hours, which is actually fair for a free app. Like, a free AI generating app allows you to generate 4 videos a day, up to 30 seconds long. It is actually very okay. So you can do 30, 30, 30, 30. That's 30 times 4. That is 120 seconds of video in a day. That is amazing for a free app, sincerely. So once you like everything you see this arrow, this download button here, you click on it and it will start downloading to your phone. Very, very easy. Now it's time to edit that video that you've generated. You cannot just leave it like that, you have to edit it. So you can use either CapCut, InShot, or whatever editing app you use. So we are going to be using InShot for this tutorial. You click on new project and you bring in all the videos that you generated. Let's say you use the 120, the whole 4 videos, you bring everything in now. Okay, let's assume this is our video. The first thing you have to do, which is the first thing you do when you want to start editing, is to remove any awkward pauses that is irrelevant to the video. Okay, if I play this video now, you can see that the way it started, there is this pause here. Like, the picture was still for a while before it started saying something. Do you see that? You don't need all those parts. You just cut it out, or you drag it to where it started saying something. Okay, just like this. Very good. Then any other awkward pauses in between, you remove it. Then you can decide to add animation at the beginning of the video, like the way you want this video to come out. If you just click on it and you go to animation, then you can pick whichever animation that you want. We have so many here. Let's say we want to use this zoom, this first one. Okay, do you see that? Then for transitioning into one clip to another, you can add transitions there. You see this box in between these two clips. You click on it and you pick the any transition of your choice. Let's just use this white smoke. Okay, do you see that? Very good. You see that there is also an awkward pause here. This place, the picture just stood still. Also, you take it, you remove it. So those are the editing that you have to do so that it looks original, or it looks professional. Do you understand? Even though it's AI, it should still look professional, something like that. Okay, then you can also decide to add auto captions to this video if that is your choice. If you want to do that, just come to text here, auto caption, and you can see it's going to bring out different templates that you can use, whichever one. So let's say you want to use this one. This is the popular one that people use these days. So once it's there, you click on generate. Okay, now the auto caption is generated. Do you see that? You can decide to add a keyframe to your video, to any part of the clip. Keyframe is just like you want to zoom in gradually on a certain part of the clip. Maybe a key point that you are saying you want to zoom in on it. If you want to do that while it's highlighted, you just, where you want it to start anyway, you click on this plus with this shape here. What's the name of this shape? Oh my god. Then you click on it. Then you go to where you want the keyframe to end. Let's say you want the keyframe to end somewhere here, and you drag the video out slowly like this. Do you see that? And then the keyframe feature is being highlighted here. So when we play it, we have something like this. Do you do you see the way it was zooming in on our face? So just do anything to make this video yours, okay? The way I'm looking at this AI photo, I'm just so amazed at how it's exactly like my face. Like, it's just like I'm one big madam like that has money. I really do hope you guys learned something from this, and I hope that you'll be able to replicate this in your own video channel or wherever. Okay, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you found this video very interesting, and subscribe to my channel so that you can keep getting free stuffs like this. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I really do hope you can create your own AI twin just like my boss Favor created has. Please let me know in the comments if you can. Don't forget to like the video, share it with another creator, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.